Hi, boys and girls. Today we are working with long E, silent E. Look at our first picture. It is a picture of a movie scene. Please stretch scene with me. S-E-N, scene. Please write the word scene. S. There's a C that we can't hear. E-N, with that long vowel, silent E. So I'm going to draw my gesture. Long vowel, silent E. That is the word scene. Our next picture is a picture of an athlete. Athlete. Finger stretch athlete. A-F-O-E-T. Athlete. Please write athlete. A, O, E, T. Athlete. Long vowel, silent E. Athlete. Our next word is compete. The racers are going to compete to see who can win. Compete. K-A-M-P-E-T. Compete. First sound, K. E-T. That silent E at the end. Our gesture is long vowel, silent E. Our next picture is a picture of concrete. See the arrow pointing at the concrete? Please finger stretch concrete. K-A-N-K-R-E-T. Concrete. First sound, K. A-N-K-R-E-T. Concrete with a silent E at the end. Concrete. And our gesture is long vowel, silent E. Our next picture is the arrows pointing to the trash can, so delete. Delete. D-E-O-E-T. Delete. D-E-O-E-T. Delete. The silent E at the end. Long vowel, silent E. And our last picture is a to-do list. And see all the check marks? They completed the to-do list. Complete. K-A-M-P-O-E-T. Complete. K-A-M-P-O-E-T. With a silent E. Complete. Long vowel, silent E. We are still working with long vowel, silent E, but this side of the paper, we're doing long I. Long I. So you can see our top box, it says color the long I words. Our first word is vice. V-I-S. Vice. And vice does have long vowel, silent E. So I'm going to color that word in, vice. And you don't need to color the entire box. You can just color the word. Our next word, my friends, to be honest, I don't know what this is here. I'm not sure what word that is, so we're going to go ahead and skip it. Our next word is ding. D-ing. ing says ing, but ding does not have a long I. I cannot hear the sound I in ding, so we're not going to color that. Next word is tile. T-I-O. Tile. Long vowel, silent E. So we're going to color tile because it has the long I sound. Our next word is lip. O-I-P. Lip. And we're not going to color lip because it does not have the long I sound. The next word is life. O-I-F. Life. And I can see that life has the long vowel, silent E. So we're going to color the word life because it's making the long I. Long I says I. Our next word is mile. M-I-O. Mile. So I'm going to go ahead and color mile because I can hear the long I saying I. Mile. Our next word is zip. Z-I-P. Zip. I do not hear I in zip. So we are not going to color zip. Next word is kit. K-I-T. Kit. No long I in kit. I hear I, but I don't hear I. Then we have the word pile. P-I-O. Pile. Long vowel, silent E. It has a I sound in p-I-O. Then we have wife. W-I-F. Wife. Long vowel, silent E. So we'll go ahead and color in wife. And our last word is Nile. N-I-O. Nile. Long vowel, silent E. Nile. Nile is saying I. All right, friends, down here at the bottom, you're going to do spin, read, and write. So you will use a paperclip and spin your words and write the 8 words that you land on. Then down here at the bottom, we have some great words that we're going to put in their word boxes. Our first word is T-I-O, long vowel, silent E, tile. Our next word is wife, W-I-F, long vowel, silent E. Then we also have the word mile, M-I-O, mile, long vowel, silent E. Vice, V-I-C-E, vice, long vowel, silent E. And our last word is pile, P-I-O, pile, long vowel, silent E. Let's do the first one together. The first one is tile, T-I-O, tile. It's going to go in this first sound box, T-I-O, tile, long vowel, silent E. Go ahead and do the other 4 words by yourself, and then you'll go ahead and turn in your paper. Way to go. You did great.